So, sir, how will be your day at like in IVF center, sir, from morning to evening?
In the morning, we have to we have a time bounded checks. Consider a day one. Once we fertilize the egg on the day zero. Day zero basically is the day when we take the egg and fertilize them. And the next day is 17 to 18 hours post that. We have to come and check that segment only, it will appear. Beyond that, it will fade away. That is called fertilization check. So in the early morning, we will do the fertilization check of those embryos which we have done a day prior of ICSI or IVF. The next day we come post 17 to 18 hours, we come and make sure to check the fertilization check. And before that we do QC, quality check and quality analysis. So what we do, we check whether every equipment is working fine or is there any error that has happened overnight. We will come to the topic ahead, that we make sure that everything is working fine. Later we go and do the fertilization check. Then we will see the other people's embryos which is growing on the day 3 and day 5 we do checks. And based on that we categorize the grades and everything. Then we will update to the doctors. The doctor will further update to the patient about the progress of their gametes, how it is growing, what is the qualities and everything. And if there is a pickup schedule on that day, we will doing the pickups, and that day also there will be fertilization. That day also there will be a cryopreservation, what we call freezing of eggs or freezing of embryos or freezing of sperms. So subsequently we will have another thing called frozen embryo transfer, where we will thaw from minus 196 to a 37 degrees Celsius. We thaw the embryo, then we transfer it to uterus.
Thaw means you are taking the embryo, sir?
Yes, actually we freeze the egg or gametes or embryos at minus 196 degrees Celsius. So that is typically ice forms at 2 degree or 1 degree Celsius. Yeah. So it is far beyond minus 196. What it actually does is it arrests the whole biological process. It is like it freezes like anything. So that is where there will be no movement of any micromolecules inside the cell. It will arrest, like it is like pausing the time. So we are pausing the time. Whenever we need, we are thawing and resuming the time, to be precise. From minus 196 we are bringing it to 37. That is what our body temperature is all about. So after reviving it from the frozen state, we make sure that to transfer the healthy embryo into the human uterus.